In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start class 10, subject Maths Science Group, unit number 7, exercise 7.2. First of all, subscribe my channel, like my videos, share videos with your friends, and also click on bell icon so that you have to get new update about my new videos. So first of all, question number 1, find theta. Basically, theta is the central angle of a circle. So find theta when length equals to 2 cm and radius equals to 3.5 cm. So first of all, we will discuss its formula. Let's see. Theta, when you will find the central angle, theta equals to length by radius. Whenever you have to find length equals to theta multiplied by radius. Whenever you have to find radius, then equals to length by theta. These are basic three formulas. Now here you have to find theta, so its formula is theta equals to length by radius. So theta always measured in radian form. So you have to put the value here 2 cm and radius here 3.5 cm. So centimeter cancel with centimeter. Now you have to divide 2 by 3.5. Then its answer is 0.57 radian, because theta always measured in radian form. So that is the answer. Let's see second part. Same formula you have to apply here, because question is same, that you have to find here theta. So theta equals to length by radius. So length here is 4.5 meter divided by 2.5 meter. So meter cancel with meter. Now you have to divide 4.5 by 2.5. Then it will be equals to 1.8 radian. So its answer is in the form of radian. So theta equals to 1.8 radian, because theta always measured in radian form. If theta is in the form of degree, so first of all you have to convert into radian. Next we will find question number 2, find length when theta equals to 180 degree. First of all, let's see, theta is in the form of degree. So first of all, degree change into radian. सबसे पहले आपने थीटा को डिग्री से रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना है, कि थीटा जो है वो रेडियन में मेजर किया जाता है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू सेपरेट हियर थीटा इक्वल्स टू 180 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 डिग्री. यू हैव टू सेपरेट हियर. सो 180 multiply by, you know that 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. So write its value pi by 180. So 180 cancel with this, so pi radian. ये रेडियन हमें शो करता है कि आपने थीटा को डिग्री से रेडियन में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है. नाउ यू हैव टू पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई हेयर 22/7, या फिर आप you have to put the value of 22/7 of pi, या फिर आप इसको डिवाइड करके पुट कर सकते हैं लाइक 3.143 रेडियन. So now you are going to find the length. So its formula you have to apply here. Length, we know that length equals to theta multiplied by radius. So L you are going to find out here. So theta here 3.143 and R here 4.9 centimeter. So you have to multiply 3.143 by 4.9. Then its answer is 15.4 centimeter. Length measured in centimeter or meter. So unit of measurement used here as a centimeter. Now we will do second part of question number 2 of exercise 7.2. As we know that theta should be in radian, so first of all you have to convert degree into radian. But here single slash is used for minutes. So first of all you have to minute convert into degree, and after that you have to convert degree into radian. So 30 divided by 60, then convert degree. Now theta equals to 60.5 degree. Now you have to solve here 60.5 multiply by 1 degree. So 60 multiply by 5 multiply by pi by 180. Here 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. So you have to put the value of pi here. Its value is 60.5 multiplied by 3.143 divided by 180. After simplification, that is the 60.5. So after multiplication, you have to get that theta equals to 1.056 radian, not m, radian. It means you have to convert theta into radian form. Now basically you are going to find out here length equals to radius multiplied by theta. So you are going to find out here L. So R here is 15 mm. Mm means to say millimeter. So multiply by 1.056. So here 15 multiplied by 1.056. So it will be equals to 15.84 millimeter or mm. So that is the length. Now in question number 3, find radius when length equals to 4 centimeter and theta equals to 1 by 4 radian. Check that theta always given in radian form, so no need to convert into radian. Okay, now you have to put the formula here. You are going to find out here radius, so put the formula of radius. So radius equals to length by theta. So length here 4 centimeter and theta here 1 by 4. So fraction having fraction, so you have to shift above, then 1 by 4 becomes 4 by 1. So radius equals to 16 centimeter. That is the answer. Now let's see the second part of question number 3. L equals to 52 centimeter and theta equals to 45 degree. Observe that theta given in the form of degree, and we know that theta should be in radians form. So first of all degree convert into radian. So right here theta equals to 45. So you have to separate 1 degree, and you know that 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. You can write here, put 3 dot, 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. So now okay, after simplification you have to get here, so 45 multiply pi is equals to 3.143 or 22 by 7, 180 radian. Now after simplification you have to get, you can write here 141.435 divided by 180 radian. So theta equals to, now after divided by 180 you have to get 0.786 radian. Now check that you have to convert degree into radian. So theta in the form of radian. Now basically you have to find out here radius. So its formula is, we know that radius equals to length by theta. So put its value here, length here 52 centimeter and theta here 0.786. Now after division, 52 divided by 0.786, you have to get its answer is 66.16 centimeter. Now unit of measurement used here centimeter. So that is the answer. Let's see question number 4. In a circle of radius 12 meter, find the length of an arc which subtends a central angle theta equals to 1.5 radian. Let's see in question number 4. Radius is mentioned here. Radius equals to r equals to 12 meter. Now central angle, or you can say that arc length, length of arc, it is represented by capital L question mark. Now central angle theta, it is represented by theta. Theta equals to 1.5 radian. So you are going to find out here length. So its formula is length equals to theta multiplied by radius. So theta here 1.5 multiply by and radius here 12 meter. So after multiplication you have to get its answer 18 meter. So length equals to 18 meter. That is the length of an arc. Now I hope you have to understand question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of exercise 7.2. So first of all subscribe my channel and also click on bell icon so that you have to get updates about my new videos. So Allah Hafiz.